काल ह्याच खिणाक आमी ज्या मनशा वांगडा उलयताले एज अ MLA म्हणून आनी ते म्हणटाले की आपल्याक कांयच खबर ना कितें जातलें कितें आनी आयज तोच मनीस आमच्या वांगडा आसा बट तो आयज मंत्री म्हणून तेणी सोपूत घेतला आनी तेजी गाडी येयली हांगा 70-80 नंबर. सर कितें अशें जालें काल ते आयज ह्या 24 वरां भितर म्हाका सारकी हें सांगा म्हणजे कोणी कॉल केलो तुमकां कोणें सांगलें राजभवनार यो.
I will tell you. As I told you yesterday, nobody had told me anything. I got a call at about 10:45 in the morning, 10:45, 11 in the morning. In fact, I just come back from church. I got a call from the Chief Minister to tell me that today I want to swear you in as a minister. And please come to Rajbhavan at 7 o'clock in the evening. That was it.
एका फोनार सगळें जालें
Definitely.
आनी कांयच खंय फोनाफोनी जावना कांय ना कांय ना.
No.
सो कितल्या वर्सांनी मंत्री जाले तुमी आतां?
कितल्या वर्सांनी म्हणजे I lost my election in 2012. So from 2012, now 2023, after 11 years.
सो हांगाच तुमचो तेन्ना सोपूत विधी जाल्लो न्ही.
Yes.
परत तुम्ही इतल्या वर्सांनी परत येयल्या कितें पयलींच्यो यादी येयल्यो पयलींचो तो एक एक्सपिरियन्स.
No. It's all part of the game, boss.
इट इज अ गेम.
No, part of the game, meaning you're asking about oath taking and all that. It is a serious thing. It is a responsibility. But what I mean, it's part of that process.
तशें जालें तें तशें सगळें घडून येयलें.
Basically, it is the chief minister who decides. It is the chief minister's prerogative whom to put in his cabinet.
बट तुमकां इतलो वेळ लागलो मिनिस्ट्री दिवपाक हेचें कारण
Could have taken even longer. How do you know? Could have taken much longer.
आतां खंयच्या खातें कितें उलोवप जालां?
काय उलोवप जावना.
तुमी रेडी आहा खंयचें दिवं?
I am willing to accept whatever responsibility the chief minister gives me.
सो तुमी आतां एक सिनियर मोस्ट एक मंत्री जातले
But the
गव्हर्नमेंट.
senior being a sort, where's the question of senior? If to argue with you, I'm new entrant into the party, so I'm junior most.
कोण आतां तुमचे बाकीचे जे वांगडी आसा तुमच्या वांगडा येयल्ले पळया.
I was not there for negotiations or for discussions with the chief minister. It is just that I committed that I would join, and that was it as far as I'm concerned.
सो आयज निलेश काब्रालाक काडून म्हणजे तुमकां रिप्लेस जाल्या सो कितें दिसता तेंच्या वांगडा बी उलोवप जालें निलेशा वांगडा बी कॉल केल्लो
Who I?
आयज?
I'm phone call. I feel very awkward to face Nilesh because Nilesh was a friend of mine. Nilesh has helped me when I was not even an MLA. He has helped me, and even his OSD Lyndon has helped me when I was not an MLA. So I am obliged to him.
तेन्ना तुमची कामां बीन तो करतालो.
100%. Help केलें ना म्हाका दुबाव ना.
सो आतां एक नवे जबाबदारी येयला एक कशें दिसता मंत्री जाले तुमी आतां फूल
जबाबदार to take care of you first.
आमची घेवपाक गरज ना सर.
कितें म्हणलो? You're my friend. So I have to take care of my friends.
थँक्यू सर तुमकां थँक्यू.